How to redeem Binance gift card. The very first thing you want to make sure that your application Binance is available on your device. If not, you can head over to your app store and install it on your device. Once it is available on your device, open the application. Make sure that you are logged into your specific Binance account. It will land you on this homepage. Once you are in here, click on your profile at the top left corner and then head over to gift card. But if your homepage looks something like this, then click on redeem at the bottom. Simply click on enter card number to check value and status. This interface will appear to you. Now in this section, what you want to do is simply enter the code or the number of your gift card. But over here you can see it says Binance is not responsible for and assumes no liability for any lawful conduct or fraud by any third party associated by any gift card. I acknowledge and accept Binance gift card terms and conditions. So once you have entered your gift card number, click on redeem and then your gift card will be redeemed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Binance gift card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.